Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 2012 Toyota Sienna van with a 3.5 liter engine, which is the same 3.5 liter that they have in the Camrys and all the Lexuses and stuff. So we're putting a belt on this one. So after you take the tire off and you take the shield off, the tensioner's right there, and it's a 14 millimeter bolt, and this is the tool that you use to push the tensioner back. So I'm going to show you a really easy way to get the belt on and off of these. If you see this little hole right there, you can shove a drill bit or a piece of metal. This actually is a piece of metal that holds a Mercedes-Benz tensioner back. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and push the tensioner over, and then you're going to put your little piece of metal in and slide it in the hole all the way. Then you can release, take your tool out, and now you should be able just to peel, you should be able just to go ahead and take the belt right off. And then when you go to put the belt right back on, you can just slide the belt on, release the tensioner, pull your pin out, and you're done. These cars are very difficult to put belts on in the beginning, and this makes it so you don't have to fight the tensioner also. All right, everybody, just a real quick one that shows you that you can lock this tensioner back to make it easier to put the Serpentine belt on. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my short automotive videos.